Dad, you just reel it in.
Yeah?
You just caught it.
Colin's already got a fish, y'all. Did you get one, Parker?
Right there.
Did you get a fish, Parker? Colin just caught a fish, y'all. We're at the Haw River, one of our favorite little holes here. I'm going fishing with a good buddy tomorrow for striper and catfish. And he says, the striper going out, we need some cut bait. And Colin has just got us fresh bait. Give me 5, buddy. All right, let's put him in the bucket.
I got a first fish, I get $10.
All right, we get some water in this bucket.
Dad, remember you have to give me $10?
Have to give you $10? What is he talking about? Give him $10 to catch a fish. We did that in Cherokee. This is Haw River. We're at home. All right, there goes our bait.
Oh, that guy's crazy.
We got a bubble maker, so keep him fresh and alive for tomorrow. You almost had one?
Dad, I had it. Dad, he swam it. I got stuck.
Okay, check and see if there's a fish on that line. Sure?
I need a new worm. Stuck in the wall. Dad, I don't want to be hooked. Or you said I don't want to be hooked. Or I don't want to be hooked. Mom, duck is here.
Is that duck? You gotta push the button, remember?
Oh, it's not a heron.
Merganser, not a merganser. What is coop?
Booty? Yeah, who did booty? What is booty?
Parker, reel your rod in. All it's gonna do is cause more problems. You just gotta catch that. You want to fish in the bottom?
Well, there's no bread. I can't do it.
Go push the button, Mia. There you go.
All right, y'all. Parker is on the board. Bait fish number 2. Put him in the bucket.
No.
Ooh.
He not get away. Slam! Dunk! And he shoots! He scored!
Ridiculous. Yo, we're out here catching the bait fish. I've been hooking up lines and watching them catch fish, so I'm gonna try to catch some with this Zebco Doc Demon. Let's go.
This is not a bluegill. Want me to get you one? And this is not a bluegill, Daddy.
No?
Yeah, look. Not a bluegill.
Where's the honeycomb, Colin?
Whoa! What do you mean? Yeah.
Ooh, I had one right there. You're right, Colin. It's sneaky.
Come on. I'm just letting them be fishy friends.
Got one, baby. Colin, you got a good honey hole. Look at that. Got one. It's gonna be good bait for the big fish. You gotta get big fish to catch the big fish.
Oh, got away.
Oh, this one's tiny. This would be actually good bait for anything. Look how tiny this fish is.
Why?
Ooh. Look at that little baby Bream. How many do we have total in here? I think we've got 5. Parker just lost his. 5 fishes in the bucket.
That wasn't a bluegill, whatever it was.
You don't see the fishes? Now do you see them? The 2?
They won't bite me?
No, they won't bite you.
Got a bluefish.
Mia, don't get into that water.
Got a 2-fish, bluefish.
We got a double. Good job. Ready to go in the bucket.
You gotta kiss him, Colin.
Oh, wait, tickle.
Can you help me get the hook
You
out?
mean to get the hook off? Here.
Colin, can you come and see my little spot?
Parker, he just wants to fish. He just wants to do his own thing, okay? Hey, y'all, we're out here catching the bait fish. I've been hooking up lines and watching them catch fish, so I'm gonna try to catch some with this Zebco Doc Demon. Let's go.
This is not a bluegill.
Want me to get you one?
And this is not a bluegill, Daddy.
No?
Yeah, look. Not a bluegill.
Where's the honeycomb, Colin?
Whoa!
What do you mean?
Oh, I had one right there. You're right, Colin. It's sneaky.
I'm just letting them be fishy friends.
Got one, baby. Colin, you got a good honey hole. Look at that. Got one. It's gonna be good bait for the big fish. You gotta get big fish to catch the big fish.
Oh, got away.
Oh, this one's tiny. This would be actually good bait for anything. Look how tiny this fish is.
Why?
Ooh, ooh. Look at that little baby Bream. How many do we have total in here? I think we've got 5. Parker just lost his. 5 fishes in the bucket.
Is that one in the...
Oh, we are not experts within the, what we call the sunfish family. What kind of sunfish in this? In North Carolina, everyone, obviously, I'm not representing all North Carolina, but we call most sunfish your bluegill, your red ear sunfish,
Dad,
your pumpkin seed.
is that
We
a
call
rod?
all them.
Dad, what are your
We
rods
call-
getting yanked?
There's no water in the water, Parker. We call all of them brim, but this one specifically, what'd you call it? Sunfish? It's got a little, it might be a baby shellcracker. I'm not quite sure. But it's bait. Bait, bait, bait. Little cute little fishy. Put him in the water.
Don't you dare spine me.
Yeah. There you go. Put him in the water. Put him in the bucket.
Dad, you're trying to jump out. Dad, a fish just went like this.
All right, y'all. We are outside fishing as usual, but I'm excited to talk to you guys about a brand new partnership for us. We have partnered with Bluegill Sunglasses. We're a part of their ambassador program, and they sell some amazing sunglasses. Right here, I'm rocking the Baila sunglasses. The sunglasses are polarized. You've got all kinds of customizations with the lenses, different colors of the tint. You have to check them out. BlueGillSunglasses.com. They also sell all kinds of hats, what I'm rocking here, shirts, hats, SPF hoodies. Make sure you check them out. BlueGillSunglasses.com. I'm excited about wearing these sunglasses. Catch him. You got him? We are yanking them out left and right. More fish for the bucket. There we go. Bait, fresh bait.
Crazy.
Good catch, Colin. Great catch.
I just caught it.
All right, y'all, who's gonna catch a fish faster, me or Parker? Who's catching a fish faster, me or Parker?
Dad, not started yet. Not started.
You can't water, this is in the water.
Dad, I don't have any bait. Dad, pause.
Boom!
I paused.
He said he paused. But Daddy always wins. Got one! Moving? That is a tiny one.
Daddy lost. He's
That's gonna be good
forbidden the
bait.
pause. How much time it takes?
All right, contest number 2. See who can catch the first fish, me or Parker. And go. He's picking at it. No, he beat me! Parker beat me! Carl, you want to get in the contest?
We don't want to do it.
Okay, that's fine. But I got one. I got the biggest one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm about 10 seconds behind. I was caught in 30 seconds. Bingo, bango.
I got mine quicker than him. Before I beat him.
Bait, bait, fish, bait. In the bucket goes.
Here's bubble.
Look at that turtle coming over there.
Albert. Daddy has figured it out. We'll have it.
Ooh, good catch, Parker.
Oh no!
You got away?
Ow! Now my fish.
Confucius says don't dangle the fish you want to keep over the water.
Who said that?
Confucius.
Confucius.
He's a wise man.
Hang the fish that you want to keep.
Parker, this is training for the sheep's head bite. If you're able to detect a small brim bite that small, you can catch a sheep's head. Good catch, Colin. All right, let's see if I can finally catch one.
Daddy will not.
You rip me? Oh. Oh. Parker, stop encroaching on my every time. You go, I go right, you go right. I go left, you go left. If you don't stop it, boy, I'm gonna get you.
If I don't stop.
And I keep getting jingle bells.
If I wasn't your child, I'll punish myself.
What's that from Little Rascals? If I was your child, I'd punish ourselves. All right, let's see what you gotta go. Okay. Ooh.
Got one. Go, come back to your start. Now.
Parker,
Leave what
no,
she does.
we're all kidding. Ooh, you got that little minnow thing. Put him in the bucket quick.
Oh, woo! Go back on.
What are you doing? Did you catch any fish?
Dad, your shoes are untied.
Huh?
Yeah.
How many fish did you catch?
One.
One?
Yeah.
Dad, your shoes are untied.
We caught like 20.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with them?
When it comes turning down.
In the bucket?
Dad, your shoes are untied.
I got boots on. Ha ha ha.
You look.
Hey, wait.
Fire in the hole!
Uh-oh.
10,000.
You caught 10,000? All right. We had a good time, as always. We got plenty of bait fish right here. Well, let's see. Tomorrow, maybe I'll catch my first striper. That'll be exciting. Or big catfish. Maybe a catfish over 10 pounds. Let's see. We're going to see you tomorrow.